Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the brand new iOS 17.4 update for iPhone. Apple just released this update, and it's packed with new features and improvements you won't want to miss. So let's jump right in and see how to install it on your iPhone. Alright, let's grab your iPhone and unlock it. First, we need to head over to the Settings app. At the top of the screen, below Apple ID, you can see a notification that there is a new update. Tap on it. If you don't see the update right away, don't worry. It might be rolling out in stages. You can try connecting your iPhone to Wi-Fi, if you're not already, and restarting your device. Then, come back to Software Update and check again. Once you see the iOS 17.4 update, tap on Update Now. You might be prompted to enter your passcode for security. Your iPhone will now download the update. This might take a while depending on your internet speed. The phone might restart a couple of times during the installation process. Important: don't interrupt your iPhone while it's updating. Once the update is finished, your iPhone will boot back up with the new iOS 17.4 software installed. You might see a setting up screen for a few minutes. And there you have it. Your iPhone is now rocking the brand new iOS 17.4 update. Be sure to explore all the new features and improvements. If you have any questions about the update, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.